Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the lighter top to bottom so you know what's broken and why. Remove the fuel cap and safely vent any remaining fuel. This prevents flare-ups while you work. Next, take off the flint spring and flint assembly using a small screwdriver or tweezers. Set parts aside in order so reassembly is simple. While you have it open, note any debris or corrosion. Clearing that first saves time later, and it prevents lost parts from jamming the mechanism. Once done with disassembly, focus on the mechanism. Clean the flint wheel, feed tube, and surrounding cavities with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol to remove carbon and sticky residue. Replace the flint and spring if worn. Flints are cheap and restore reliable sparks. Reassemble the striking assembly precisely, making sure the wheel meshes with the flint evenly. Then refill the reservoir with the manufacturer-recommended fluid, but do not overfill. The lighter needs a small air pocket to vaporize. You finish by testing the lighter outdoors. Give 3 quick strikes and observe spark strength, flame stability, and height. If the flame is weak, adjust the valve or flame height screw and check flint tension. Too loose prevents good sparks, too tight grinds the flint. Make small adjustments and retest until consistent. If it still fails, inspect internal seals and the fuel valve for damage. These often need replacement. If those parts are worn, swap them or replace the lighter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.